Where is he?
He's out, mate.
Out where? I'm here by myself. Project?
Possible project, my friend.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well,
So give him a call.
go on. Better be something good.
Where are you, boss? Solo furniture.
Oh yeah. The one that's got great prices.
We're being beckoned, mate. Let's go.
Let's have it. Don't know, but it better not be a stinker. Better be something good. Nah, don't like it. Is there? What you doing?
Got us a present. Our next project, boys.
Okay.
What do you think? Audi Q5.
I like it.
Hmm.
Is that the damage?
Well, there's a few bits. There's this. Yeah, there's more. There's more.
Right, okay.
There's more.
I see.
That.
Right.
And there's a little bit round here.
It's not too bad, is it, dude?
No, it's alright.
This one. Little bit there.
Okay. It's not too bad.
And that's it.
I mean, it could have been
Auto.
worse.
Auto.
Yeah. Full leather. It's actually got 12 months MOT.
Cat N.
No.
S.
No. No
Right.
category. Category free. Category free. It's got 12 months MOT. It's got shitloads of history.
Okay.
Oh, he's done alright then, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Done
Not from
alright.
Copart. As you can see, no sticker in the window from a guy around the corner.
You didn't spend loads on it, did you?
No. It's cheap.
Right. Budget cheap.
Cheap.
Okay.
Like cheap,
Like
cheap.
it. What?
I mean, it could have been a lot
S-line.
worse. Could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, but
Could have been a 6C2 or something.
lads, that's not all I've bought.
What?
Go on.
That's not all I've bought. No, I haven't bought the speedboat. I've bought something else though.
Go on.
Better than this.
Q7.
I'll show you.
No, I'm scared.
No, it's good. You'll love this. It's a real good one, this. Honestly, you're going to love this.
Come on, mate. What have you got us?
Eh?
What have you got us?
I'll show you. I'll show you.
That's high. Oh my god.
Cash guy.
There you go, lads.
Van.
Oh, not the van.
That.
Yeah, that.
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 Why have you bought? Why have you bought a pensioner?
Mate.
Mark 2.
Mark 2. Golf GTI.
Get me closer.
I swear, I've just bought that.
Mate, you've not bought this.
Mate, trust me.
What is it? Golf?
It's a Golf. It's a Mark II Golf GTI. Mate, it's got to be the cheapest one in the country. Seriously.
Different. I'll give you that.
Wow.
Mate, look at it. BBS rims.
Okay.
Nice. Look at the side there. It's not bad. There's a few holes in it. Got that one there. There's a few bits down here on the valance thing. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the worst of it. This bit here.
Wow.
Okay.
This is the worst panel.
Wow.
Hey, guess what?
Oh,
She runs.
How
Seriously.
much should I bet it won't start now?
this ain't start.
Nah, no chance.
Mate, it will.
There's cobwebs all over it.
What are you doing? Putting a gold stop or something?
Wow.
Look at that!
It's a run-off. I don't know what to think. These.
Hey! We got the mould and the cobwebs free.
Free of charge.
Come on, admit it. You're buzzing, aren't you?
I mean, this is from a time before I was even thought of.
How old is it?
Yeah, you weren't born. 1989.
Wow, it's like 20 years older than me.
F-Reg.
As old as me. Carton seats.
It's a belt of that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the mould. Look at the mould. Oh, mate, this thing's growing in it. But ignore that. That can all be cleaned up. That's fine.
What are these?
It's potential, this.
What are these?
They're windscreen window winders.
Mate, we're back in the Stone Age here, man.
Mate, this is going to be a minter. Trust me.
Yeah, 1989 just called. They want the car back.
Wow. Okay.
Is it? It's just me that's buzzing. I don't think they are.
You know who actually owned this car?
What?
Winston Churchill in his 20s.
Wow.
Promise you.
Wow.
It's different.
I thought you'd be buzzing with that.
I mean, it's an epic car, but it's old. It's very old.
It's growing on
It's
me.
growing on them. Right. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tune in to see what we do with this Golf GTI and the Audi Q5. They're our next projects. See you later.